Let me ask you something that might sting a little. Why do you think they're not calling you? Why haven't they texted? Why are they not showing up the way they used to? Or maybe never did at all? What if I told you the answer isn't in them, but in you? Not your worth, not your looks, not your heart. Those are intact, but your energy, and specifically, the way you've been praying. I know sounds strange, but stay with me, because this one shift, this tiny but powerful 10-second shift, changed everything for me. And it might do the same for you. This isn't some cute trick. It's not a magical chant or a viral TikTok affirmation. It's the real thing. A shift that flips desperation into magnetism, scarcity into abundance, longing into receiving. And it starts tonight, right before bed. But let me warn you, if you skip this video or brush it off, don't come back tomorrow wondering why they still haven't texted. Because what I'm about to say, once you hear it, you can't unhear it. And that's a good thing, because this isn't about making them chase you. It's about finally stopping the chase and watching what happens when you do. Introduction: When begging becomes blocking. Here's what most people won't tell you about manifestation, energy, or even prayer. You don't get what you want. You get what you are. And when you're praying from a place of pain, from a place of please, 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 you're vibrating in the exact energy that pushes what you want further away. Trust me, I've done it. Nights spent staring at the ceiling, whispering the same words again and again. Please let them come back. Please make them text me, please, just one message. I used to cry those words into my pillow like they were sacred mantras, but they weren't prayers. They were declarations of lack, of not having, of believing I was missing something. And guess what? The universe listens, not to your words, but to your state. When you speak from lack, you attract more lack. When you vibrate in need, you stay needing. When you obsess, you repel, and your specific person, they feel that, whether they know it or not. Even from across the city, the country, or the world, desperation has a frequency, and it doesn't feel like love. So how do you flip it? How do you stop pushing and start pulling effortlessly, naturally, magnetically, with a shift, a prayer, but not like you're used to? The shift from wanting to receiving. One night, everything broke. I'd hit my limit. I was done begging, done crying, done wondering if I was even manifesting right. So I stopped. And in that stillness, a thought came through. Not loud, not poetic, just clear. Thank you for this love that already exists. That was it. Not, please bring them back. Not, let them text me. Just, thank you. I said it once, then again, then a third time. Thank you for this love. Thank you for this connection. Thank you for the message. Thank you for the reunion that's already mine. And then I rolled over, closed my eyes, and slept like it was already done. The next morning, I'm not kidding, my phone lit up. Their name, after weeks of silence, was it magic? Number. It was a shift. In me, in my energy, in my expectation. I wasn't begging anymore. I was receiving. And when you become a receiver, the universe delivers. Exercise, the 10-second bedtime ritual. Try this tonight, just for one night. Before you sleep, don't scroll. Don't stalk their profile. Don't spiral down memory lane. Just lie back, close your eyes, and imagine you're in bed. The room is quiet. Your phone buzzes. You glance over. It's them. Their name, their face, their words glowing on your screen. And the message isn't just a casual, hey, it's real. It's raw. I miss you. I can't stop thinking about you. I was wrong to walk away. I want to come back. Read it. Feel it. Let it move through you. Not as fantasy, as memory, as something your soul always knew was coming. Smile or cry or both. And then say, either out loud or in your heart, it is finished. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Amen. That's it. No begging, no forcing, no checking if it worked, just claiming. And once you shift into that claiming state, the one where you know it's done, something unlocks. Your person will feel it, even if they don't know why, even if they haven't seen your story, even if they're with someone else. Energy doesn't lie. And this energy, it's potent. Cliffhanger, what happens next will surprise you. Here's the part no one talks about. What happens next isn't just a message, it's a mirror. They start remembering, they start feeling, they start doubting the decision they made. And the best part? You don't have to lift a finger. But that's for the next video. Because what happens after the shift is where the story really begins.